Waur by Robert Burns. I've been researching Burns songs for 9 years, and a month ago I finally tracked down the early draft of this one. I believe it's the earliest draft. I know it's the best draft. Here we go. Waur. Hey day, waur, come down the long glen, and sair with love he did deave me. But I said there was naething I hated like men. The duce tak the lad to believe me. The duce tak the lad to believe me. A weel, stocket, mailen, himsell out the laird, and bridal of hand was the proffer. I never looked on that I kenned or I cared, but thought I might get a war offer, but thought I might get a war offer. He spake o' the darts o' my bonny blackeen, and oh, for my love he was diein. I said he make when he liket forgi'e. The good forgi'e me for liein, the good forgi'e me for liein. But what do you think, in a fortnight or less, he has a poor taste to gae near her. He's down to the castle to black cousin Bess. Think how I could endure her, oh think how I could endure her. And now the niest took as I fretted wi' care, I gaed to the tryst of Dulgarlock, and wha but my braw fickle was there, was stared as if he'd seen a warlock, was stared as if he'd seen a warlock. Who tore my left shoe that I gaed him a blink, lest neighbours should say I was saucy. My waur he capered as he'd been in drink, and vowed that I was a dear lassie, and vowed that I was a dear lassie. I speered for my cousin fu couthy and sweet, and if she'd recovered her hearing, and how my old shoon fitted her shackled feet, could say for so he fell a-swearing, could say for so he fell a-swearing. He begged me for good sake that I'd be his wife, or else I would kill him with sorrow, and just to preserve the poor body and life, I think I will wed him tomorrow, I think I will wed him tomorrow. A day a braw waur come down the lang glen. One day a fine waur came down the long valley, and sore with his love he did deafen me. But I said there was nothing I hated like men. The devil take the lad to believe me. A well-stocked holding himself for the laird, the squire. Marriage offhand was the proffer. I never let on that I knew or I cared, but thought I might get a worse offer. He spoke of the darts of my bonny black eyes, and oh, for my love he was dying. But I said there was nothing I hated like men, is that the line? The Lord forgive me for lying. What do you think in a fortnight or less? He has a poor taste to go near her. He's down to the castle to my black-haired cousin Bess. Oh, think how I could endure her. And all the next week, as I fretted with care, I went to the tryst. I went to the fair at Dulgarlock. And who but my fine fickle waur was there, who stared as if he'd seen a warlock. Across my left shoulder I gave him a look, lest neighbours should say I was saucy. My waur he capered as if he were drunk, and vowed that I was a dear lassie. I asked for my cousin, so politely and sweet, and if she'd recovered her hearing, and how my old shoes fitted her shapeless feet. God save us, how he fell a-swearing. He begged me for God's sake that I'd be his wife, or else I would kill him with sorrow, and just to preserve the poor body in life, I think I will wed him tomorrow. A Waur by Robert Burns. The tune is from an older ballad called The Lothian Lassie, or The Queen of the Lothians. And that was printed in the Scots Musical Museum number 522 with the Queen of the Lothians lyric after it to the foregoing tune, but that's where the tune came from. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. More treasures coming up.